Okay, let's talk about manufacturing, materials, and quality control.
Ground screws are mass-produced, mostly in China, typically using thinner, non-structural steel. These are often optimized for cost and shipping efficiency, but often lack traceable steel grades or engineering certification. Again, if you're doing a garden room or permitted build, this might not be an issue at all, but it's worth bearing in mind. Screw piles are typically made in the country of origin or nearby. In our example with UK Helix, ours are fabricated in Finland, using certified structural steel under regulated manufacturing practices. While mass-produced screw piles are appearing more often in the UK and Europe, it's critical to check that the steel is certified and traceable, especially if structural performance is important.
Let's talk about cost considerations. Ground screws, cheap, fast to install, and probably cost effective for non-critical structures. So cost of screw piles, definitely higher initial cost. With that higher initial cost comes guaranteed and traceable materials, increased load capacity, increased strength. So, final word on screw piles and ground screws. If your project is on a very tight budget, if it's lightweight, if you've got suitable ground conditions and is not subject to things like building control, ground screws might be a good solution for you. If your project is potentially susceptible to heave or tree protection orders and root activity, if it's a heavy structure, if it's a structure that will house lots of people or heavy activities, if it's subject to building compliance like building control, I would opt for screw piles. Again, this has been Robin Gamble from UK Helix. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative, and I hope it allows you to make an informed decision about whether ground screws or screw piles are suitable for you. If you need any information on screw piles, please don't hesitate. Get in contact with us through our website or through LinkedIn. We're on Instagram, YouTube, etc. We would love to hear from you. Thanks a lot for watching.